Look at this beautiful color shake, guys. Yummy. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing for you a mango banana shake. Okay guys, so I have in this bowl some slices of mangoes, one ripe banana cut up, and some dried cranberry. I also have half glass of orange juice and some ice. And I have my blender, so I'm gonna get started. I'm adding the fruits to the blender, after which I am going to add the orange juice and then the crushed ice. Okay guys, I'm glad to announce that mango is back again guys, so go ahead and make up this shake. You can substitute the cranberry, so no worries there. Just go ahead, get these fruits in and make a nice shake. Okay guys, but for now just continue to watch this video until the end. All right guys, thank you. And there you have it guys, all done. I'm gonna glass this now. Look at that color guys, nice and rich. Mango and the orange juice let it have this beautiful color. So go ahead and try this shake guys, you will love it. So I'm gonna taste this. Wow, this is tasting lovely guys. So go ahead and try out this shake, you will love it. You can also give it to your children, they will love it also. It can be substitute for breakfast or dinner. Go ahead and try it guys, it's healthy. No sweetener is added to this shake. The fruits have its natural sweetness, so go ahead guys and try this, you will love it. Okay guys, remember to like this video, share it with your friends and your family, and don't forget guys to subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, so until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.